Imagine walking through a lush meadow on a warm spring day, sunlight glinting off the leaves and wildflowers swaying gently in the breeze. You brush against a patch of green, only to recoil at a sudden sting. Most people would simply shrug off stinging nettle as a pesky plant to avoid, but what if I told you that this very plant, feared for its sharp touch, is a powerhouse of health benefits that has been used for centuries across the globe? Stinging nettle, scientifically known as Urtica dioica, is a resilient herb with a rich history in traditional medicine. From ancient Egypt to Native American remedies, nettle has earned its place as a natural tonic for various ailments. Despite its prickly reputation, this plant offers remarkable benefits that can support your body, mind, and overall vitality. Here are 10 compelling health benefits of stinging nettle that might make you reconsider your next encounter with this prickly green. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Stinging nettle isn't just a medicinal herb, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Its leaves and stems are packed with essential vitamins like A, C, K, and several B vitamins, as well as minerals such as iron, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. These nutrients are vital for maintaining strong bones, boosting immunity, and supporting overall metabolic health. Imagine a natural multivitamin growing wild in your backyard. Nettles are just that. Number 2. Supports joint health. One of the most celebrated uses of stinging nettle is its ability to support joint health. Research suggests that nettle may help reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis. This is due to its high content of anti-inflammatory compounds that can calm swollen joints and ease pain. People have been using nettle leaves topically and internally for centuries to manage arthritis symptoms, making it a trusted ally for anyone looking to maintain mobility and comfort. Number 3. Promotes healthy skin. Nettle's benefits extend beyond the inside of the body. Its rich nutrient profile, combined with natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, makes it excellent for skin health. Regular consumption of nettle tea or the application of nettle extracts can help combat acne, soothe eczema, and support overall skin vitality. By supplying the skin with essential vitamins and minerals, nettle acts as a natural rejuvenator, helping your skin glow from within. Number 4. Acts as a natural detoxifier. In today's world, our bodies are constantly exposed to environmental toxins. Stinging nettle acts as a gentle detoxifier, supporting kidney and liver function. By promoting healthy urinary function, nettle helps flush out excess waste and harmful substances from the body. This cleansing effect can boost energy levels, improve digestion, and contribute to a sense of overall well-being, making nettle an excellent addition to a holistic health regimen. Number 5. Supports respiratory health. If you struggle with seasonal allergies, colds, or sinus issues, stinging nettle may offer relief. Studies have shown that nettle can act as a natural antihistamine, reducing allergy symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, and itchy eyes. Its anti-inflammatory properties also support the respiratory system by calming irritation in the nasal passages and lungs. Incorporating nettle tea or tinctures during allergy season can help your body respond more comfortably to environmental triggers. Number 6. Boosts immune function. A robust immune system is your body's frontline defense against illness, and stinging nettle can give it a natural boost. Its high vitamin C content, along with flavonoids and other antioxidants, strengthens the immune response. Regular consumption can help reduce the frequency of colds and infections, providing your body with extra resilience. Think of nettle as a green shield, reinforcing your body's defenses naturally. Number 7. Supports heart health. Heart health is another area where stinging nettle shines. By helping regulate blood pressure and promoting healthy circulation, nettle contributes to cardiovascular wellness. Its diuretic properties assist in reducing excess fluid retention, which can lower strain on the heart. Additionally, the antioxidants in nettle help combat oxidative stress, a key factor in heart disease. Regularly integrating nettle into your diet, whether as tea or a supplement, may provide long-term benefits for your cardiovascular system. Number 8. Aids in blood sugar management. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for preventing metabolic disorders, and stinging nettle may help. Research indicates that nettle can support healthy glucose metabolism, making it a helpful herb for those concerned about blood sugar spikes. By improving insulin sensitivity and supporting pancreatic function, Nettle may complement a balanced diet and lifestyle aimed at maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. Number 9. Supports hair health. Nettle isn't just good for your body, it's great for your hair too. Rich in silica and sulfur, nettle promotes hair strength, shine, and growth. Traditional remedies often include nettle extracts or oils applied to the scalp to prevent hair thinning and improve overall scalp health. By nourishing hair follicles from the inside and outside, nettle helps maintain luscious, resilient hair naturally. Number 10. Promotes digestive health. Lastly, stinging nettle can support a healthy digestive system. Its gentle diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties aid in alleviating bloating and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, the fiber in nettle leaves can contribute to a balanced gut microbiome, supporting nutrient absorption and overall gastrointestinal health. For anyone looking to maintain smooth digestion, nettle offers a natural and effective solution. While stinging nettle may sting on contact, its benefits are far-reaching and well worth the effort of harvesting or purchasing. Whether brewed into a tea, incorporated into a soup, or used as a tincture, nettle's nutritional and medicinal properties make it one of nature's most versatile herbs. From boosting immunity and supporting heart health to promoting glowing skin and luscious hair, the humble nettle is a powerful ally for anyone seeking natural ways to enhance their well-being. So, the next time you encounter a patch of stinging nettle, don't just recoil. Consider the centuries of traditional wisdom that vouch for its healing powers. Nature often hides its treasures in the most unexpected places, and stinging nettle is a perfect reminder that even something that stings can also nourish, heal, and empower. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.